Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. And quite frankly, I don't think we have any setups today. So if you haven't heard the news, the Fed's cut interest rates down to zero, literally as the market opened. The market also opened at limit down with my broker. I haven't even seen a bar form. It's pretty much where the green line is. That's where price is at the moment. So it's 1,000 points off the previous day at the moment. Okay, not my bar, but anyway, the markets are closed at the moment. Limit down is hit, and now we wait and see. So, yeah, panic continues, unfortunately, and the best thing that you can do right now is just stay far away from this. There aren't even levels that I'm actually prepared to look at. So, what we can do is just have a little view of what we see here. So we retraced up into the 50, just short of the 61.8 Fibonacci on Friday, and that's off its previous move. So I think the worry that I have at the moment is we have a second move potentially here, which brings us back down to the 18,000 area. Now, I'm not sure, what the Federal Reserve and governments are going to do. So the banks central banks are cutting rates rapidly, trying to contain the fallout at the moment. But this little exercise here, we drop down 1,000 points, which is basically where we are there. That breaks that wedge or that channel. So I'm not really interested in putting any money in this market right now. I think for me, it's a case of wait and see until this hysteria stops. It really is hysteria at the moment. It's absolutely crazy to watch how people are behaving. But anyway, I think money in pocket is the safest bet today. Don't even bother trying to chase this thing. More than likely going to be another probably 2,000 point down day again. And the only thing that's going to stop this is some positive news on the virus. That's the only thing that's going to stop this. So as soon as we get some positive news there, then the cash that they've pumped into the market plus the central banks cutting rates will stabilize the market a little bit and give us opportunities. But for now, I don't see any opportunities except just to get yourself burnt in any direction you try and trade right now. So leave this to the bots and get outside and get some sun. Anyway, that's me today. I'm not really interested in trading it. We'll watch from the sidelines and see what happens. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.